Janie, just answer the question. Where are we supposed to be right now?
At dinner.
Right. Where?
At my favorite restaurant.
Right. Right, I picked it for you, remember?
Why was she there, Will?
I don't know. You think I invited her?
I don't know.
Why would I do that?
You tell me.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't. That's the point. Look, she was there. It's a popular public place, and she was just there. I didn't want her to be.
Why did you let her?
She sat down before I could do or say anything without making a scene.
Oh, I don't know. It looked like you were making a pretty big scene by the time I got there.
I told you I didn't want it.
Why did you take it?
Haven't you ever been forced to do something that you didn't want to be a part of? Kind of hard to avoid, isn't it? Look, she saw you, and before I knew what was happening, she grabbed me by the neck and smashed me up against her face. By the time I could push away, you were gone. Out into the rain. You gotta believe it.
I can't.
Why not?
I already told you. I've been burned so many times by so many guys.
And so now, I've come along, and to you, I'm just one of them, right?
Well,
I'm not them, Janie.
I don't know that.
I'm here, aren't I? I ran the length of 12 city blocks through the freezing rain. I booked it up 12 flights of stairs. And I'm here, right now. Because I'd rather be dripping wet, freezing to the bone, outside of your door, than at some fancy restaurant with anyone else. You're the best thing in my life right now.
What?
I said you're the best thing in my life.
What are you saying? Like, what do you mean?
Don't worry, it's not as flattering as it sounds. My life. It's nothing special.